The Mercedes SLR McLaren. It's one of my favorite supercars, and still, till today, it looks amazing. It has the traditional, double circle the headlights, but still, the rest of the car is absolutely amazing. There are some really amazing design details on this car. Like, check out these wheels. Oh my god, they're still absolutely beautiful. Then come to the side, you see these air vents to let the air out from the engine. You have the double exhaust system, very sleek side profile. And another beautiful thing about this car is the taillights. This has amazing taillights. They were able to add this detail of having the line of LEDs inside the main taillight to make it look a little sportier than the regular Mercedes models. And overall, it looks amazing. So when this car was being made, actually Mercedes made it with the help of McLaren. That's why it's called the Mercedes SLR McLaren. And they didn't get along a lot. So this is the interior, and it's taken from the Mercedes SL. And that's one of the downsides of this car that I don't like. I wish they had made its own interior so it would look a little better. Otherwise, overall, it's perfect. But what I'm about to show you today is this as well. So this is also the same car, but it's been modified by a company called Fab Design. FAB Design, not FAP Design. Okay. So what have they done? A lot. They've completely changed the whole body. It's now much wider than the standard car. So of course they've had to adjust the axle, and to make it wider, they've also changed a lot of the design. So on the front, you have this double, carbon fiber splitter. You have some airways on the side corners. I mean, that just lets air outwards. Then you have these really weird wheels. So let's have a look at those. I believe the central part is finished in matte color, and you can see the Fab Design logo there. But the rest of the wheel, it has a carbon fiber in it as well. So that's a nice touch. They've kept the side vents, but instead of double exhaust, it's now a triple exhaust system. And of course, they made the fenders for the front and rear fenders much wider. As for the taillights, they really haven't touched them. That's fine. But they have added some, carbon fiber parts on the boot lid and the spoiler wing and underneath the logo as well, which really wasn't needed. But they did give it a very different diffuser. Look at it. And wait till you see the interior. The interior is also amazing. See, they've added some crocodile leather to it, and the carbon fiber parts are all red, like the center console, the gear stick, the handbrake stick, the top part of the steering wheel. That's all carbon fiber. The exterior air vents on the hood is also carbon fiber. So yeah, this is a very, very in-depth customization program. It's called the Desire. It's a one of one. Now next, here we have another Mercedes SLR McLaren that's also modified, and this is called the Volcano. This is modified by another company called Hamann or whatever you want to call it. And I don't think that company exists till now. I haven't seen any of the new cars, but they have given a very exposed carbon fiber look to the front nose of it, and as well as a completely different front spoiler. They have widened the wheelbase, made the fenders more prominent, but they haven't done it as extensively as Fab Design have. So yeah, you have two very different styles of modifications. You can choose whichever you want and let me know in the comments. The interior, of course, now has a lot of Alcantara carbon fiber parts. Of course, the carbon fiber parts match the interior of the car. So in this car, the exterior and the interior are both black and yellow. So yeah, you have yellow stitching on the seats. You have the yellow Hamann logo. Seats are, I think, not the standard seats that you find in the SLR. They're a little different. And on the pillar, you have some carbon fiber parts as well. Side skirt, rear fender, part of the door handle. It's all carbon fiber. Then you have this fixed wing as well. That's a nice touch, actually. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's okay. You have another aggressive diffuser, and the inside parts of the taillights are also dark. If you look at the wheels, they're quite busy. They could have been a little simpler, but yeah, they kind of go with the car, so it's not that bad. So let me know in the comments which of these three insane modifications do you like. And the Hamann has been tuned from the original 626 horsepower to around 700 horsepower. The white Fab Design SLR has been tuned to 750 horsepower. So yes, you have one car which looks more sportier, but the other car looks a little more elegant, but it's more powerful. It's a one-off as well. And the standard Mercedes SLR, that looks absolutely beautiful still till today. The engine in the SLR is a 5.4 liter V8 made of completely aluminum. It's mostly handmade. The standard car makes 626, and of course the standard car can go up to 330 kilometers per hour or around 205 miles per hour. 0 to 60 time is around 3.7 seconds. So it's still quite fast. I know it's not as fast as today's supercars like the McLaren 720S or the Ferrari F8 Tributo, but still it's really cool. And there's a fourth car here. That's actually the rival of the SLR, and that is the Porsche Carrera GT. It's one of the most beautiful Porsches ever made. I don't really like Porsche that much, but for the modern designs, this is one of their absolute best. As far as the 918 goes, I've seen a couple of 918s here in this very showroom. Maximum number was 3, so I have a video of those as well. Have a look at them. As for this Porsche Carrera GT, I absolutely love it. Look at how simple the wheels are, and they go with the rest of the car. The rear wing has been raised in this, and just look at how it is. You have the Carrera GT logo there, exhaust pipes coming out from the back. Tail lights are nice, they're all LEDs. It's beautiful. I love how the engine bay is partly covered, so it lets the air out as well. It's absolutely amazing. Now both the cars are pretty much same in top speed and almost the same in acceleration as well. As for the interior, the Porsche Carrera GT's interior is miles better than the SLR's. Look at that. So this car has brown and silver interior. The leather is all brown. I've seen dark red interiors in the Porsche Carrera GTs. Those look amazing. I've seen an all black interior as well. That was epic. So this showroom is called Alain Glass Motors. I've been coming here for quite some time, seen some absolutely amazing cars here. So for those videos, just have a look at my channel. Now if you're a fan of Mercedes, I'm sure that's why you clicked on this video. So I'll leave all the links of Mercedes videos in the video's description. Do check them out, and you can check out individual videos of these 3 SLRs so you get more information about them. Now what else does Alain Glass Motors have? Basically they are the official distributor of Koenigsegg in Dubai. And yes, speaking of Koenigsegg, they have this 1 of 18 Agera R, and it's completely exposed carbon fiber. Then next to it, this is a Bugatti Veyron Supersport modified by a company called Mansory. And of course you have tons of other cars like this gorgeous Aventador and others. So not all my videos are in English, so do check the title before clicking them.